Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change my email on Roblox. So first, you want to start by opening the Roblox application and signing into your account. Next, once you are logged in, open the More menu. Now on Roblox application, you can find this by tapping the three dots, and then select on Settings. Now inside the settings, you want to click on Account Information. Now this section contains the personal information connected to your Roblox account. Now find the email address section and click on the edit icon next to your current email address. Enter the new email address that you want to use with your Roblox account. Now you will also need to enter your current Roblox password to confirm the change. Now after submitting the new email address, Roblox will send you a verification message, and then open your new email inbox and look for the message from Roblox. Open the email and follow the verification instructions. Now once you've completed the verification, you want to return to your Roblox account settings. Your new email address should now be connected to your account.